Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy International Women's Day. So how did you spend your day? I spent my day doing some little bit of pedicure and manicure service from Urban Club that I could get it done at home only. For today's video, I am going to do a giveaway. So I'm going to give away 3 of this lip gloss. This is the LAKME Absolute Plump and Shine lip gloss. It will give a very shining effect. And if you want to win this lip plumper or the lip gloss, then follow the rules mentioned in the description box. So basically you have to be my subscriber and comment below if you want to win this, and follow me on Instagram. I will mention the link of my Instagram account, and in the comment section below you have to provide what is your Instagram ID, and 3 of you can win this. Let me show how the lip gloss looks. So this is the one that I am having. This is a very beautiful lip gloss, and on top of any matte lipstick, it is going to give very beautiful gloss shine. So if you want to win this lip gloss, please comment below with your Instagram ID, and I will declare the winner within 1 week, I think on next Thursday. So that's all for today's video, and give it a big thumbs up for this video because I'm going to do a giveaway, and share the video, like the video, and please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, bye.